So my name is Scott Smith and I work and run Fhior in Edinburgh. Fhior is a restaurant opened by my wife and myself. We wanted to create a restaurant that has a really nice focus on hospitality. And with the food, we want clean, vibrant, fresh flavours, creating our version of Scottish food. We are only open for 4 days a week, 3 different menus that we operate with. The reason for closing the 3 days is to give all our staff that kind of work-life balance and make sure they're fresh on those 4 days that they're here. We've got a focus on Scottish produce and all the dishes are very ingredient-led. So we have a key star on the plate and then the whole point of each dish is to highlight that key ingredient. Obviously we're surrounded by coast and we've just got a really great history of rearing beef and lamb. The quality is so high, there's absolutely no reason why we'd want to use beef from any other country. So the supplier starts off with, we'll always begin on very small basis. Samples will come in, we'll see what they've got, and I like to work with smaller suppliers. So with our butchers, for instance, I can phone up the rep directly or even phone up the owners directly and specify exactly what it is I want. And I also get introduced to much more exciting cuts of meat. And I think just having that relationship of us listening to them and not demanding from them, we just build those relationships of trust. Morally, you feel better about using produce that you know has had a good life, you know it's been looked after. I think it's very important as chefs, we've got a responsibility to actually support this, and if we all get on board with supporting animal welfare, it's better for everyone. Aspirations-wise for accolades, I mean, yes, we want to be aiming high, and we want to get Scottish food on the map, and you don't do that without putting yourself under a bit of pressure. But it's balancing that pressure with having happiness in your work as well. Success for us is, of course, having bums on seats. I want a place that's busy every day, and the ultimate success would be sustaining a business doing that.